everyone. There are many prime numbers, but as numbers get bigger, the prime numbers get rarer and rarer and rarer. So maybe you would expect there to be one last prime number, and every number after that is composite. In fact, there are an infinite number of prime numbers. Here's why. Suppose not. Let's say there were finitely many primes. Let's multiply them all together, and then add 1. Could 2 be a multiple of this number? No, because it's the product of all the primes plus 1. 3 cannot be a factor of this number, nor 5, nor 7. Let's say the last prime number we had multiplied was 97. It's not a multiple of 97. So all the prime numbers we found, none of them are a factor of this number, which means we found a new prime. Okay, let's add that to the list, and repeat the same process. We'd also be able to come up with a new prime number. Do the same process again, we come up with a new prime number. In fact, we could keep doing this forever. If there were finitely many primes, we would be able to stop. But we can't. So there are infinitely many primes. This was first written about by Euclid in his famous text, The Elements. Bye.